Hello, my name is Miss.Adaventure of the Woman Workshop. Welcome to What Does This Mean? I know you are curious as to why I'm holding pepper. This is serious business. As somebody who came to Lagos and I didn't grow up here in Lagos, but I've come across different kinds of pepper. And today I want to talk to us about just two kinds, the Shombo and the Tatashe pepper. We know about it or you see it. Some of us pass it by because we really don't know or we think they're the same thing. But every Lagosian iyawo, knows there is a difference between the Shombo and the Tatashe. So I have been told that the Shombo is for your jollof rice, for your moi moi. You want it to be very reddish, you want it to pop. So if you want that to happen, you use your Shombo. And the Shombo is slimmer, longer. So this is your Shombo pepper. Want a reddish color for your meal. And I've been told, and I've also verified, that it is not very peppery. But the Tatashe, on the other hand, our mothers warned us about this. I mean, growing up, even though I didn't grow up in Lagos, I heard that you should avoid Tatashe, right? And the thing is, it's on good authority. I've used this and it is quite peppery. And the Tatashe is good for your food. It adds the heat. It brings the heat to your food. So Tatashe is good for for adding heat to your food, and it also serves as a good thickener. All right. So now you know the difference between these two, just like I've been taught. All right. So what is your take? Are you in agreement with this, or do you have a different opinion? Tell me in the comment section.